Good afternoon, all of you. Due to COVID-19, still the school is not opening. That is why you are staying in the house. For that, we are arranging some video classes. And today I am going to teach your SST subject and lesson number 1. From this lesson, some question I already make and I will send for you. You will note down this. I am going to explain this lesson. I think this is helpful for you. You will understand about the lesson. In this lesson, you will get about globe and Earth's model. In previous classes also, you got about globe and the model of Earth. And in this class, you will be more clear about Earth and globe. So, step by step, I am going to explain about solar system, Earth's shape, and the globe, and how is globe helpful even okay. Our Earth is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. You know, our Earth is a third planet of the solar system, and Earth is a unique planet in our solar system because we have some reasons. Some of the planets too much near from the sun, and that planets are too much hot, and some of the too much far from that sun, and due of temperature there is life is impossible. Only Earth is the suitable position. That's why in the Earth there is the suitable condition for living things, and lots of living things are living in the Earth. Now you will understand about the shape of the Earth. We know that our Earth is a spherical size. The shape of the Earth is spherical, but early days people believe that the Earth shape is flat. Even people afraid to travel because they thought Earth shape is flat. They may fall down suddenly and will die. Later on, that Copernicus, one of great astronomer Copernicus, told it is wrong, our Earth shape is sphere. He believed that the Earth is circular shape. His theory was proved in Rye 1522 when Ferdinand Magellan, a great sailor, he sailed round the Earth and his ship reached in same place from where he was starting. It is proved our Earth is a spherical shape. Only in the North Pole and South Pole sides. However, at the two extreme ends of the Earth, it is slightly flat. Only that means on the North Pole and South Pole side, it will be flat. Now, I am going to explain about globe. At first, I will draw a globe in the board, and it is easily to understand for you. This is a globe I draw there, and why is globe is important? Now you'll understand. Our Earth is vast in size. It is possible. It is not possible to look at an entire term and length, but we can Observe the Earth miniature model is global. That means globe is a man-made small Earth, we can say. And by the globe we can understand lot of things. Where is that about oceans and about continent also, every state is which country, about North Pole, South Pole also, everything we understand by the globe. A globe also show the distributions of the land and water, the surface of the earth. The earth is covered with huge water body oceans. We know that in our earth there are 4 oceans are there, that Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Oceans and Arctic Oceans. By the globe easily we can understand, we can see that the oceans and the continent also. Okay, thank you everybody.